Okay, I just love how this paper lines the drawer. Or it's not a paper, it's the stuff that you use. Most people use it in their kitchen area or where they store their dishes and things. But anyway, cabinets. Uh, but I inherited some. Or I got some when I was helping Jackie. I took it out of her house because I knew the people that were going to be moving in it wouldn't want it anyway. So I have been able to use this to line all of my drawers and stuff. So it's so easy to cut because you can see the little marks here, and then if you get it just one row too much, then you have this string of this material, and then I use that for other things too. So for example, I used it on a little sign that I put for my basket here. So I'll just show you. It's where I put the paper plates and stuff. And so I didn't have anything to put my little chalkboard note here. So I used this string that I had. So I ran it through. Just made holes in the front of the paper, cut it into a shape that I wanted, and then now it's labeled plates, napkins, and utensils. And it's nicely labeled, and I put it down there. And so that's just one little crafty thing that I have used that for. Trying to use it all. But anyway, so this is my I call it the Sunrise Mountain Suite. It's 99.9% ready. There are just some small details that I have to take care of. But my headboard, I used 5 cedar pickets, or no, pine, the cheapest they had, to make this headboard. And so I sanded them down. I haven't stained them. I'm still trying to decide whether I like the natural wood more than, let's say, a darker stain like that. I kind of like the contrast, so I'm not really sure what I'm going to do. These are my thrifted side lights. I've had them for a long time. I've recently changed them out to these new lampshades, and I really do like them. However, as I'm noticing now, I think I might like something a little bit bigger that comes down to this level. But I guess seeing that is kind of the candle effect. But anyway, so up there was a that image or picture I bought years ago at a garage sale, probably for about $10. My painting over here I bought from a thrift store. I really loved it. It's actually a painting, and it's signed and everything, so it's a bonus. And that is from a thrift store. Then we have the purple mattress. This was something I had before. It was the duvet that I use all the time. And then these are recent purchases from the thrift store. And then this was thrifted a couple of years ago. It's I really like the brand. Let's see, what was it? It's a B. Smith. And I really like her style and color and everything. This other side is really pretty, but it was just a little busy with the rug. So I display it now with just the color of, we just have a little hint of the edging. But anyway, and then and about the rug, this is a washable rug, and I bought it off of the Facebook Marketplace for $20. Okay, and then this little side table I got from my mother-in-law. I brought back from Wisconsin. This mirror I have had forever, and I'm sure I got it at a thrift store in California. That little medium table, or and center table there, is from Wisconsin. My mother-in-law. These two club chairs I purchased from somebody on Facebook Marketplace, probably over 8 years ago, for $30. These amazing cutouts of the trees that no one wanted was at the thrift store, and I purchased them for $4.99 each, so together it was $10. Let's see here. I've got my electric fireplace. I've had that forever. I bought it brand new, $300, but I've had it for at least a decade. The TV was given to me by my mother-in-law when she was moving, downsizing. That little fridge I got from the Goodwill for $25. I got the microwave right here. I had this forever, so it was free. The little lamp I got for, I think, $3, and the wooden tissue box was $3, and that was part of my $5 deal. A little orb was $2.50. The image is mine. It's 11 by 12, available for purchase if you'd like. And then you can go to vlane.art, VLANE.art, or VEELANE.com. So anyway, this little holder there, that was part of I got from a garage sale. That was $3, the whole thing. I had the mugs. I had the water pitcher. The stand that it's on right now, it will be transformed, I think, eventually, was $10 off Facebook Marketplace. And this other side table over here, that is repaired and free from my sister and brother-in-law. And then my curtains I had. I'd really like to have maybe some really chocolate brown velvet curtains, or maybe something like this but in velvet and blackout, but we'll see. I'm going to keep an eye out for it. So that's kind of my little overview of my suite and what I thrifted and all that. Oh, and I did purchase these lights, the covers from Costco, and I love them. It doesn't shine too much light at night, but it does give you enough to kind of be able to navigate through the room. So I do like those, but I was hoping that it was a different kind of layout so I could use it with those electrical ones you have in the bathrooms as a nightlight, but that didn't work out. So maybe I'll have to look for those. And if somebody knows that in the comments, let me know. All right, well, there's my little tour. I hope you have a great afternoon. Thanks so much. Have a great one. Bye for now.